Before your next difficult conversation, practice it with AI. This could be a job interview, a salary negotiation, a sales call, a customer complaint, a difficult email, or a conversation where you are not sure what to say. Most people only use AI after the conversation. They ask AI to rewrite the email or fix the message. But AI can be even more useful before the conversation happens. In this video, I'll show you 5 simple ways to use ChatGPT, Claude, or Gemini to communicate better. Welcome back to AI Alpha by Mario, where I explain simple AI tools and workflows that help you save time, save money, and make more with AI. Use case number 1. Practice difficult conversations. Tell AI what the situation is and ask it to play the other person. For example, act like my manager. I want to ask for a salary increase, ask me difficult questions, challenge my answers, and help me prepare. AI can ask, why do you believe you deserve an increase? What results have you delivered? What happens if the budget is limited? You can practice your answers without the pressure of the real conversation. Afterward, ask, what were my weakest answers and how could I improve them? Use case number 2. Prepare for job interviews. Paste the job description into AI and say, act like the hiring manager. Interview me for this role, one question at a time. After each answer, give me honest feedback. This helps you prepare for questions connected to the actual job. You can also paste your resume and ask, what questions might an interviewer ask about my experience? AI cannot guarantee you will get the job, but it can help you walk into the interview better prepared. Use case number 3. Write difficult emails. Sometimes you know what you want to say, but your message sounds too angry, too weak, or too confusing. Write the rough version first, then ask AI. Rewrite this message so it sounds calm, clear, and professional. Keep my main point and include a clear next step. This works for customer complaints, payment reminders, project delays, disagreements, and follow ups. Always review the final message before sending it out. AI should improve your communication, not change what you actually mean. Use case number 4. Prepare for negotiations. You can use AI before a negotiation of a salary, contract purchase, service price, or business agreement. Describe the situation and ask, help me prepare for this negotiation, identify my strongest position, the other person's likely concerns, possible compromises, and questions I should ask. Then ask AI to roleplay the negotiation. This helps you think through different outcomes before money or important decisions are involved. Use case number 5. Understand the other person's perspective. This may be the most valuable use case. Before replying emotionally, paste the message and ask, what might this person be concerned about? What could I be misunderstanding? Help me respond without making the situation worse. AI does not know exactly what the other person is thinking, but it can help you slow down and consider another perspective. That alone can prevent bad replies. Here's a reusable prompt. I need to prepare for an important conversation. The situation is, and then you explain the situation. My goal is, then you explain your goal. Act like the other person. Ask me difficult questions one at a time. Challenge weak answers, then help me create calm, clear, and respectful response. There are 2 important rules. First, do not paste private or sensitive information without understanding the tool's privacy settings. Second, do not let AI make important decisions for you. Use AI to prepare your thinking. You still choose what to say. The big idea is simple. AI is not only useful for creating content or answering questions, it can also help you communicate better. Practice the conversation, prepare for objections, understand the other perspective. Then respond clearly. And if you want to learn practical AI workflows step by step, I also have my AI University community on School, where we go deeper into using AI for work, business, content, and productivity. If this helped, subscribe to AI Alpha by Mario and leave a comment with the conversation you would practice first. A job interview, negotiation, sales call, difficult email, or customer complaint. See you in the next one.